Hi, it's Joe and Rose for Joe's Moses Kitchen. Today I am preparing a snack, a beautiful crispy snack called as Achappam. Within 15 minutes we can make this snack. So don't waste time, let's go on to the video. Joe's Moses Kitchen. With this recipe we can make 35 pieces of roast cookies. Onto a blender, 2 pieces of egg, half cup of sugar, a pinch of salt, 2 cups of coconut milk, half cup of water. Blend it for 30 seconds. Make sure the sugar is melted. Add 3 cups of rice flour. Give a quick mix and blend it for 1 minute. Make sure in between you scrape the sides. Transfer to a bowl. Make sure the consistency is perfect. 2 teaspoons of sesame seed. Combine it and rest for 10 to 15 minutes. Don't rest it more because it have eggs in it. Make sure you heat the mold before. Give a quick mix. Dip the hot mold just 90% so it will easily come out. Fry in hot oil. Keep it there for 2-3 seconds and shake it so it will be perfect roast cookies. Make sure you flip it and fry it. When it's light golden in color, make sure you remove it because as soon as it's out from the oil, the color will come out more and more. When you are frying these roast cookies, make sure you stir your batter in between because the batter become hot. For better result, make sure you stir it and make sure you flip like this before you remove from the hot oil so there will be less oil in the roast cookies. Crispy, crunchy. Wow. Wow. Really beautiful. Just enough sugar, crispy, crunchy. Enjoy and eat. Please give me a support by subscribing my channel, Joe's Moses Kitchen. Okay, bye. This recipe, have you ever tried? What about this one? Have you tried it? And what about this one? Have you never tried it? Then what about this one? Make sure you try it and let me know how it is.